everyone. My name is Nikita Chauhan. Today's my topic is the urinary system. The urinary system is also known as the renal system and the urinary tract. The urinary system consists of organs, muscles, tubes, and nerves that are responsible for the producing, transporting, and storing the urine. Then the main function of the urinary system is to remove the waste product from the body and the filtration of blood and then reabsorption of water and remove the extra urine and called as the extra harmful chemicals are removed from the body. Then the function of the urinary system is to eliminate waste from the body and regulate blood volume, regulate blood pressure, controls levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulates the blood pH. And the anatomy of a urinary tract. The urinary tract is made up of following organs are like as a pair of kidney forms the urine, and the pair of ureters to transport the urine, the urinary bladder to store urine, and the urethra is carries outside the urine, outside from the body. And the major part of the urinary system is the kidney. Then see, the kidney is the major organ of urinary system, and it has a bean shaped organ situated in the retroperitoneal positions in the superior region. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney because the left side of river is the higher grade, slightly higher than the right liver. Then the mass of adult kidney is 150 grams, and it is about 12 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter thick. It's about 12 centimeter. Then the superior wall of the kidney is attached to the adrenal gland, and the produce urine through which waste materials such as urea and ammonium is created. Then they are also reabsorb glucose and amino acids. Then calcium produce urine through the which waste materials such as urea, ammonium excreted. And they are also reabsorb glucose and amino acids. And then example is a calcitorial erythropoietin and the renin. And then the layers of kidneys is covered by three connective tissue layers. Then the renal fascia, adipose capsule, and renal capsules. Then the kidney, the internal structure of the kidney is the renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis. Then renal cortex is the blood pressure. Next is control levels of electrolytes and the metabolites, and then regulate blood pH. The anatomy of urinary tract. The urinary tract is made of the organs. The pair of the kidney from the urine, and and the pair of ureters is the transport the urine.